Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video you will learn about the image optimization. Okay, so how to optimize the images in the website. So you will learn about image optimization. Okay, so if you not optimize your images properly, the behavior of your website will become poor, so your website will find a lower search ranking. Images also matters for website search ranking. Okay, so the ranking of your website will also depends on the image optimization. Okay, so here we can learn how to optimize the images. So there are 4 basic image optimizations are there. So let us start with an example. Okay, so here I have a blog. Okay, so in this blog I have an image. Okay, so I just inspect this image here. You see, this is my image source code. Okay, here the title of the image is what is SEO, and the source is the link, and the alt. Okay, this is the attribute. We will learn the image optimization. It is the very important tag for image optimization. Okay, so learn basics of SEO. Okay, so the first thing is naming. Name your images with a relevant title. Okay, the first thing is naming. Before uploading the images in the website or before publishing the content in the website, name your images properly. Okay, here you can see my blog is about the basics of SEO. Okay, so here the title is what is SEO. Okay, this is the name of the image. Okay, so the next thing is the alt tag. Alt tag, sometimes called as alt attribute. Okay, so this is very important tag, like h1 h2 tags. This is also a kind of HTML tags in image. Okay, so you could see this is the alt tag for this image. Okay, so it's also a kind of HTML tag used to describe the images to search engines. Okay, so how I describe? I use the keywords. So this alt tag is very much important in on-page optimization. It improves your ranking, SEO ranking of a website. Okay, so always use keywords in alt tag. Okay, so if you want to improve your ranking, use keywords. Okay, and next important thing is use the images with the right dimensions. Okay, use images with the right dimensions. Okay, so which means use a responsive images. Okay, use images that is best suitable for both desktop and mobile version of a website. Okay, sometimes what happens is the desktop version of an image is not viewable in mobile version. Okay, so take care of the dimensions. Okay, and finally and most important thing is, so image optimization is all about reducing the file size of your images. Okay, so use less file size images. Okay, so which means, so save images, desktop. Okay, so my file size is 366 KB. Okay, you could see my file size is 386 KB. Okay, which is less file size only. If it is also 100 less than 100 KB, it is good optimizable image. Okay, so why this is important is it increase your web page loading time. If your file size is very high, okay, if your image size is 1 MB or 2 MB, it increase your loading time. Okay, so reduce your file size of your images as much as possible without sacrificing the quality. And quality of images is also very important. Okay, so reduce your file size without sacrificing the quality so that your loading time remains low. Okay, what is the loading time actually here? Okay, so this is your loading time. It actually loads very well. Okay, it's a fraction of less than 1 second. Okay, so web page loading time is one of the ranking factor in SEO. So image optimization sometimes directly or indirectly affects the loading time of a website. So if image file size is very high, it takes long time for the website to load. Okay, so hence it affects the user experience of a website. Finally, it also badly influences your website rank. Okay, so take care of the image sizes. Okay, take care of the loading time too. Okay, so in image optimization, name your images with a relevant title, give your alt tag and insert your keywords in alt tag. Okay, and use the right dimensional images and use less file size images so that it won't affect your loading time. And these are the very basic image optimization techniques. Okay, so if you have any doubts, just ask a doubts in my comment section and subscribe my channel. Thank you.